Hello students, this video of synthetic fibers and plastics part 1 is brought to you by Aryabhat National Public School. Topics to be covered in this chapter are introduction, polymers, characteristics of synthetic fibers, some common synthetic fibers, disadvantages of synthetic fibers, plastics and its types, and plastics and the environment. All these topics we will cover in this chapter. In earlier classes, you have already we have already discussed in earlier classes the importance of cloths and how cloths are prepared from fabrics and how these fabrics are prepared from fibers. What are the importance of cloths? Early men did not wear cloths. They cover their body with big leaves, animal skins, and bark of trees. But later they started making fabrics from different fibers, and after the discovery of needle and when men learned to stitch, they started making cloths. Cloths are made from fabrics. Fabrics are made from fibers, and fibers are obtained from sources. That sources can be natural or that sources can be artificial or man-made. Natural fibers are obtained from nature, for example, cotton, jute, silk, wool, etc. These all are natural fibers and are obtained from, we get it directly from nature. Nature provides us these fibers. Synthetic fibers are man made fibers. They are prepared in factories from chemicals. These fibers, some examples of these fibers are nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. All these fibers are prepared in factories. In this chapter, we are going to discuss in detail about the synthetic fibers, how synthetic fibers are prepared in factories from chemicals. For understanding how these fabrics fibers are prepared in factories, we have to understand there is one term called polymer. What is polymer? Before going into detail of polymer, what is polymer, what this word means, look at this picture. What is this? Every one of you know. You can easily recognize this. This is a chain, iron chain. How it is prepared? First, to prepare this chain, first a small part of this chain is prepared and those small parts are linked with each other. I will show you. If you want to prepare a chain like this, somehow it is rectangular, in a rectangular shape, but it can be of any shape. Just imagine circular shape. Lot of small pieces are prepared, and after that these pieces are joined together like this. Every single part is joined with the other single part, and a long chain is, we can obtain a long chain. Similarly, the synthetic fibers are prepared in factories. The polymer, we were discussing about the word polymer. What is this word polymer means? Polymer is a Greek word. It has two parts. One is poly and other is mer. Poly means many. Poly means many and mer means parts. Many parts. The word itself describes many parts. Polymer means the many parts are linked together. Again, from the definition, you can understand a polymer is a long chain of molecules which is made up of large number of small molecules joined together. Here, but the small numbers of molecules are joined together to form a big chain of that molecules. Just like the chain we discussed earlier, small parts are joined together to form a big chain here. In the same way, the synthetic fibers, the small parts are manufactured, they are joined together to form a big chain. And that chain is used to manufacture fabrics. Now, according to how these chains are joined together, the polymers can be classified. The polymers can be classified into linear polymer. See here. By seeing the figure itself, you can just assume or know that what do we mean by the word linear polymer. Linear means one single part is joined to the other single part just straightway manner. The second type of polymer is branched polymer. Here you know the word of branch. We have seen many branches of trees, branches of different things. In this way, there is this linear polymer. In this linear, there are some branches coming out. In this fashion, the polymer manufactured in this fashion is termed as branched polymer. The third one is cross-linked polymer. In this, you can see in the figure, there are linear polymers and they are cross-linked with each other. Just like this. This is one linear polymer. This is the other linear polymer. And they are connected with each other. They are cross-linked with each other. In this way, the polymers manufactured in this way are known as cross-linked polymers. Cross-linked polymers. This is all in the introduction. We will discuss the next part in the next video. Thank you for watching.